Hi viewers, in this video I will explain basic computer concepts. Nowadays we live in the age of computers. Everyone must know the knowledge of computers. Present days computers in an important role in our daily life. It provides lot of information about unknown things and places. It gives a rapid change in our daily life. Now I am going to explain the complete hierarchy of computer like software and hardware. In general, computer is a man-made machine which accepting the data and processing that particular data and produce the result as a output. That particular result is known as information. What is computer? Computers define in many ways. A computer is an electronic device capable of performing computations, making logical decisions, even speed millions and billions of times faster than human beings can. Means what? A computer is a electronic device performing arithmetic and logical calculations compared to faster than human beings. A computer has mainly four functions: accepting data input, processing data processing, produce result output, store the result storage. Computer functions are three: input, process, output. Input is nothing but raw data, processing is nothing but completely internal work, output is nothing but result. Computer system is nothing but it includes the hardware, software, user. Computers are classified into two types: software and hardware. Computer needs clear cut instructions to tell them what to do, how to do, when to do. These instructions are called as a program. Software is a collection of programs. In detailed view, it is a development process of which converts the imaginaries into reality by writing a set of programs. The software can be classified into two types: system software and application software. Application software used to develop organization oriented applications. Again, this classified into two types: general purpose application software and special purpose application software. General purpose come under this MS Office, Tally, Photoshop, etc. Special purpose application come under this school management, inventory management, etc. See this example. These application software again classified into languages, packages, utilities. Language is nothing but communication. Programs are designed based on computer languages. For example, Pascal, Fortran, COBOL, C++, Java, etc. Languages are classified into three types: low level languages, high level languages, middle level languages. Low level languages again classified into machine languages and assembly languages. Machine language: only two symbols are used in writing the program using machine language. They are 0 and 1. It is a very difficult process. Assembly language are formed with the combination of mnemonic codes. It contains simple English words like add, sub, mul, etc. High level language are formed with the combination of simple English sentences. For example, Basic, COBOL, Pascal, C++, Java, .NET or high level languages. Middle level languages. Middle level language is nothing but it can support some low level features and some high level features. That's why it is called as middle level language. Example, C language. Package. Language is used to define packages. Set of predefined commands can make a package. A set of computer programs used for certain functions such as word processing, etc. These packages are classified into applications and database. Applications category: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, etc. Database: Fox Pro, Access, Oracle, etc. What is MS Word? It is used to create, edit, and format textual documents. The main purpose is creating documents. What is Excel? It is an electronic spreadsheet. It is used to create, manipulate, and analyze the data arranged in rows and columns. The main purpose is analyzing the data. PowerPoint. It is used to create, helps eye catching and effective presentations to illustrate and deliver our ideas professionally. Access is a database used to store large amount of data and to retrieve desired pieces of information. Example, telephone numbers in telephone directory, records in industry, student records of an examination board, etc. Oracle is a database server software. It is an application. It is a database package. Fox Pro. It is a software application create, maintain and control the database. Utility is a program that makes the computer easier to use. To keep the computer system running smoothly by using utilities like antivirus, disk cleaner, backup utilities, etc. All these are utilities. Antivirus is a utility software which detect and remove the computer viruses like to remove the boot sector virus or file virus, etc. Disk cleaner is a utility scans for the files that have not been accessed since long time. Utility, this is used to create the copy of complete or partial data stored in the disk or CD any other disks. Coming to system software, it is used for developing functionalities of hardware devices like C and ALP. The system software classified into two types: operating systems and translators. Operating system. What is operating system? So, operating system is a program or software. It acts as an interface between the user of a computer and computer hardware. Coming to single user, single task, the operating system allocate the all the resources to only open one application, that is like DOS. Under single user multitasking, the operating system resources allocates only one person but perform more than one work simultaneously, like Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Millennium. Multi-user single task. In multi-user single tasking, the operating system allocates the resources to multiple users. Example, DOS with NovelNet. Multi-user multitask. The multi-user multitasking is supported by the operating system with nature of time sharing and slicing. Example, Windows 2003, Unix, Linux. Translator is a program that convert the given programming language from one type to machine code. That's why these are called as mediators. Translators are classified into three types: assembler, compiler, interpreter. Assembler is a translator used to convert the assembly language program into machine code. Compiler is a translator used to convert entire programming language into machine codes. Interpreter is a translator used to convert line by line of the program into machine code. Understanding the hardware and software. Hardware is physical part of the computer. The parts are possible to touch and visible. These are classified into two types: physical components and logical components. Coming to physical components, input units, output units, input output. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, CD, DVD or input units. What is input? The units which are used to feed or give data is known as input units. Keyboard is an input device. It is the main input device to enter text into the computer. It contains alphabets, digits, special characters, function keys, numeric keys and some control keys will be there. Mouse. It is used to locate a particular point on the screen. Mouse has four operations: point, click, drag and scroll. Scanner. It is used to capture images, printed text and photographs, etc. CD, DVD. These are deliver programs and store large multimedia files. Coming to output units. Output is nothing but the units which are used to get or extract the data is known as output units. For example, monitor. It is a visual display unit like a television screen. Printer. It is designed to output information from computer onto a piece of paper like a hard copy. There are three kinds of printers: dot matrix, laser and inkjet. Plotter are used to print large of images such as maps, blueprint of structure, etc. Speakers used to generate or reproduce voice, music and other sounds. Logical components. Logical components are classified into two types: primary memory and secondary memory. It includes cache memory also. So primary memory again classified into ROM and RAM. What is memory? Memory is an internal storage area of computer which is used to store data and programs either temporarily or permanently. Primary memory is also called as a main memory or internal memory. The primary memory is only type of memory that is directly accessed by the CPU. Any data operated by the CPU is stored in primary memory. This primary memory classified into two types: RAM and ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM is permanent, RAM is temporary. ROM is nothing but a system memory, RAM is user memory. PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, SRAM and DRAM. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as external memory or auxiliary storage. These memories are used to store the data permanently. Secondary storage devices hold data even the computer is switched off. Like floppy disk, it is a similar to magnetic disk. Floppy disks are portable because we can remove them from a disk drive. Floppies come into two sizes, they are 5.25 and 3.5 inches. Hard disk is a magnetic disk on which we can store computer data. Hard disk hold more data and provide faster accessing. Cache memory. It is a very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up CPU. It acts as a buffer between the CPU and main memory. Thank you.